Hello guys and welcome to a brand new video. And today I'm gonna be starting a new series which is Java coding, CSS coding, HTML coding, like pretty much a lot of coding in general. And this is the first step or that I'm gonna start with. And many of you that watches this video is probably very new to Java coding, and it's not gonna be easy. I mean, if you want to learn a lot, those first lessons or those first videos probably be pretty easy. But as you move on, it will be a lot harder, and there's a lot to remember, and you need to keep in mind of a lot of things. And I'm gonna be producing videos every single day. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like and comment if you have any questions or any problems, and I try and help you as much as possible. Okay, so Java. First off, Java is a object-oriented language, just like any other language related to it, like JavaScript or yeah. And objects in Java are called classes. And I mean, with classes, like classes in general, that's where you're gonna do the coding. So if you don't have it in a class or a file, or if you don't have it in a class at all, you can't like connect it to what's running the thing. So every line of code that can actually run needs to be inside a class. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. We're gonna go ahead first off and create a Java project. We're gonna call this project Hello World. And for this, by the way, you will need the program called Eclipse, which is pretty much like this: Eclipse, Eclipse. Search on that, download it, and yeah, that's what you need. So first, what you always do, or what I always do at least, click on Hello World, your new Java project, click New, click Package. Now we're gonna call that Hello World as well. Now we have a package which looks like this. And here is the src, which all the packages will be stored. What this is, you don't have to worry too much about this. This is the resources that Java has, or any like coding resources that you need in order to run your commands and stuff. So don't mess with this. Just ignore this for now. Okay. We'll move on to that maybe or probably in some other lessons. We're gonna click on Hello World. And we're gonna new. We're gonna create a class, and then we're gonna type Hello World. So this is a Java file. As you can see, it started up with this hello world.java. So I'm just gonna go through what all of this is. Okay. So this is package. This is the package. So this identifies the package, which is here. So package hello world. It's always gonna pop up when you create a class through a package. Now the third line is public class spacebar hello world. So hello world, our file. This is our file, and you can call it anything. You can call it main test. It will pop up here. So what we have just done is to wrote the first code here in this what do you call it, in this class, and this class is now called Hello World. Now notice that when we declare a public class, we must declare it inside the same file. As I said before, we need to declare it in the same file. And when running like examples here, just make sure to not use public keywords, since we write our code in just one file here. The next line that we're actually gonna be typing now, because now we need to like start coding. Okay, here we go. We're gonna type that. Just wait. So you go to this one here, and then you type enter, and you will go directly to here. Why? I don't know. It could go here as well, but just have it here, okay? Because I think it has something with JSON formatting. So now we're gonna go with public. Public means that anyone can access it. If you type private, it's only you that can access this. Then we're gonna type static. Now, all of these that I'm writing here, you have to remember. So class is a keyword, for example, class. This is a class. Public, this is public. Like package, this is package. So remember those words. Write those down if you want. I don't know. Just remember those words, okay? Static means that you can run this method without creating an instance of main. So it means, yeah, you can run this plugin now, or not this plugin, but this you can run this code. Sorry, I'm a bit too much into Minecraft, but you can run this code pretty much when you type static. And then we're gonna type void. Now you type void, which means that the method doesn't return any value at all. Okay. And then you can type public static void hello world. Or wait, are we gonna type? No, maybe we'll type main there actually. Hold on, let me check. Main void hello world dot main. Yes, exactly. So then you type main, and main is the name of the method. So you can, I believe you can type main or hello world. I'm not too sure actually though, but we're just gonna do like that for now. I don't know if I should have typed hello world in here. I think it depends on the name of the actual like project or package or class or whatever, but we're just gonna do that for now. Right, and then we're gonna do this. Just ignore this for now as well. Strings, oh, sorry, string, and then we're gonna remove that, and we're just gonna do like that. Then we're gonna type args and that. Now, don't like this will then be like the entry point of our Java program. The main method has to be this exact signature in order to be able to run our program. All right. And public again means that anyone can access it. And static means that you can run this method without creating an instance out of the program, like hello world. Void means that anyone that uses this method doesn't return, means that this method doesn't return any value, and main or hello world is the name of the method. But I think we actually have to type hello world in here now when I'm thinking about it. since this is the name of the program. Yeah. So the arguments we get inside the method are arguments that we will get, like that we will get when we run. So, I mean, it's an array of strings. So, I mean, we will use it in the next lesson. Just don't worry if you don't understand it all right now. Because, as I said, this is a series and you will understand everything as we make more videos. Right. So let's do this now. Now we go to that line, which I enter. Let's do system dot out dot print in. No, there we go. Print all L N, and then we do the just shift 8, shift 2. Then we do hello world. And then we're just gonna type that in there and just as enter. So I'm just gonna explain what this is now. System is a predefined class that Java provides us and holds some useful methods and variables. Variables, sorry, English is not my first language. And out, as you can see here, is a static variable within system that represents the output of your program, which is also sometimes called it's also called an stdout. Remember that, okay? Just gonna leave it there so you write that down or remember that. A static variable within system that represents the output of your program. Then we're gonna move on to println. Is a method of out that can be used to print a line. So what this will do is print out this line, hello world. So it will say this message when we run it. Right, and that's it for today's lesson. So this is our first Java program. And you might not understand why we're making this now. I'm just like that this is basic words. This is basic words pretty much that that you need to remember, basic messages that you need to remember, strings, args, like you need to, okay, not strings and args, sorry about that, but void, static, public, class, package, system out, print all. You need to try and remember those and what they do. That's very important. I'm gonna be uploading the next lesson soon where I talk more about this and why we are doing certain things and like that, because it might be a little bit confusing now, but I have tried to explain it as good as possible. But I'll provide another tutorial shortly, episode 2, about learning more about Java. Okay, see you guys in the next one, and bye.